Sometimes the smallest details quietly transform a flat design into something that feels tactile and alive. Today, how to explore speckle layer blending. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new 2000 by 2000 pixel canvas with a dark neutral background, so the texture will be clearly visible. Add a new layer and fill it with white, then go to Filter, Noise, and choose Add Noise at around 75% using Gaussian and monochromatic settings. Press OK and open Levels from the Adjustments menu. Slowly move the black and white sliders inward until the noise turns into sharp, scattered speckles. Now change the blend